it's Calum from Turmeaus Chester, and today I'm breaking the rules slightly. Yes, I know, as you've probably guessed from my quiet, mumbly, socially awkward manner, I am something of a bad boy, and I'm proving that today by having a bowl of Germains Full Latakia. Some of you would have already picked up how I'm breaking the rules here, but just in case you haven't, the Full Latakia, or Latakia in general, to be fair, is not a tobacco to be smoked on its own. It is a blending or a spice tobacco that you're meant to add into other mixes just to zhuzh them up a bit. It's very strong, very high nicotine, so definitely not something you'd normally have on its own. However, it's currently October 2020 and this is our pipe tobacco of the month. So, like I said, I am being a bad boy and having a bowl of it by itself. And you know what? It's not actually bad. It's not something I'd make a habit of, definitely not in the morning normally, but it actually has quite a pleasant taste on its own. It's got the classic Latakia smokiness, that's the whole point of Latakia generally. It's flue or chimney cured tobacco, so smoke cured. So even before it's lit, it smells extremely smoky, and that definitely comes across in the taste. This one's quite pleasantly complex though, in that sense. I'm getting bits of leather, cedar, well, wood as well, but it's quite like a floral aromatic element to it as well, which makes me think cedar, because that's got like aromatic woody elements. And it's got quite a nice consistency as well. I've had this bowl straight out of the bag, so let me just try and show you. So, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick that up, but let's just see. It's got quite a nice thick cut and quite a decent moisture content, so it burns very slow and very cool. So it does actually make it just about palatable on its own. But there is a very, very high nicotine content. If I seem slightly woozy, it's because this is my second bowl of this that I've had while setting up my equipment. So it is manageable, but I probably wouldn't recommend it. It's very good to have some on hand though. If you ever have a blend that you think is a little bit lacking, just chucking a little bit of this, even in a very small ratio, even like 1 part of this to 5 parts of your tobacco, would really, really invigorate the blend and give it some really nice depth and character. Personally, if I was going to be mixing this, I would go for quite a subtle tobacco, so maybe some like a best brown flake, like a Virginian flake type tobacco with a little bit of this. Obviously you can vary the amount depending on how punchy you want the Latakia to be, but I think it would work really nicely with something like that. As I said as well, with the moisture content and the cut of it, it would be particularly good if you've got a tobacco that you find is burning a little bit too fast for you. Blending a little bit of this in would definitely counteract that and balance it out nicely. So now I do tend to recommend tobaccos, but I am going to say approach with caution with this, but it's definitely worth, if you do want to try it, giving it a go just in with a small amount, starting with a small amount of it in with something else and then build up from there. Part of the fun of tobacco, pipe smoking, is being able to blend your own and experiment, and this is an ideal tobacco for doing that with. So if I've tempted you and you do want to try it, it's available as always at turmeaus.com. If you do try it, hope you like it. Don't forget to let us know what you think. Oh, and let us know what you've mixed it with as well. If you do, it's always nice to hear people's blend ideas. So do let us know. And as always, if you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in future. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. And I need to go have a lie down. Cheers.